This is my first time to Levuka. I can't wait to see the people there.
Yeah, that's the thing. But it's clear. Oh, I think. Oh, look at the church.
Last time I came to Ovalau was back in high school. I think we played Rawari here. So yeah, good to be back. Been a while. But yeah, excited. Wakaya or Gundoya Iliam.
Morning everybody, we're off to PAFCO this morning. We're visiting one of our valued sponsors. The brand Sunbelt is the name sponsor for the Fijian Drua. And for many of us, it's our first time here on the island of Ovalau, Levuka, where Fiji's #1 tuna product is exported to the world. We'll have a look at how they run their operations and also meet the people behind it. So people of Ovalau who work on the factory floor that bring tuna from the sea to your table.
Which one? It's a new one. Anna. When I was after COVID, during COVID, is the Anna, used to come here from kids from the village and help with unloading. Used to get like $50 a night, so like 3 nights, $150. Really? That's big money. It's during it's an evening job. We waited for the big containers. It's that side, so we have to fill the this one's full. Because we were small, small boys, big job. Father and me.
Well, first of all, a big vinaka level to the Drua team and the wonderful players and the officials that have come across to Ovalau to visit us. This has really turned the day into, Christmas has practically come early at PAFCO, to be honest, for the team and us. And yeah, once again, a big thank you to all of you for coming across and collaborating with us. We officially are entering into the second season where Sunbelt will be associated with the wonderful Fijian Drua teams. And this year itself has been really wonderful in this collaboration. We are a 52-year-old brand and that is owned by PAFCO, which is itself a 62-year-old company, and collaborating with one of the biggest brands right now in Fiji, Fijian Drua, is definitely the way to go. And we are so excited and delighted that we have the team here and we have been collaborating for the whole year and putting the two wonderful brands together and achieving better results for both Drua as well as for PAFCO.